Moviebill here, back for another video. I'm back to talk about, well, I'm not back to talk about this the first time, unless you're on social media the other day. Monday, I went to the Avengers Infinity War premiere, and I cannot speak. Thanos told me not to. But so many emotions, so many things. More people have, by the time this video comes out, more people would have seen it. So this video is not really to talk about the movie. I just wanted to tell you that I went. But I got a box here, and I know it's Avengers Infinity War related because it's sent by this company. But first, and this is not a sponsored video. Well, what is this? It's a receipt. Okay. This is not a sponsored video, but I got this really cool thing that's want to show you from this company called Moviebill. Moviebill, like not Beal, like Ally McBeal, no, Moviebill. So back in the day when you used to go to the movies, you used to get like a booklet, and you can read about the cast and about, you know, cool things. Maybe had coupons in there, and then you get to take this home. And this was kind of a memento. They don't really do this anymore. So this company is kind of bringing this back, and I thought it was really cool. But there's more. There's some technology to this, so just wait. So let me just read this to you. Thank you so much for taking a deep dive into the exclusive Avengers Infinity War Moviebill. I'll be the first person to experience this in my video. So this is the first time anybody's going to see this. So you'll be never before seeing augmented reality experiences, features, and behind the scenes content. Can't wait to show you that. So this is a premium 28-page interactive magazine. Like we're definitely gonna go through some of it, but and there's no spoilers in here, don't worry. But you know, it has things about the cast, like I mentioned before. You need the Regal app to really get into the interactive stuff. The Infinity Gauntlet's in there. Wait till I show you something cool with this. That's gonna be like really exciting to show. And just some other articles and things. It's just like really cool. And if you want to sign up for Geico, you can. You can do that. Okay, so these, if you go to Regal Cinemas, the opening weekend only is when you get these. So if you want to get one of these really cool things, and I'm gonna show you why it's really cool, make sure you go to Regal Cinema. Regal, how come you ain't paying me to say this? I'm just kidding, but like, no, I've been to Regal Cinemas. They're cool. Matter of fact, Andre does some stuff with Regal Cinemas. So there you go. Regal is for Regal. Okay, so I'm gonna go on this other side of the camera and show you this. I'm gonna download the Regal Cinema application, and then we're gonna scan the book, and I'm gonna show you from my point of view in the phone. Be a little ghetto, but it's okay, cause it's, you know, we low tech here, but it's still fun. So, and then I can't wait to open this. Oh my God. Okay, stick around for that. But let me show you this real quick. All right, guys. So my voice is behind the microphone, so just bear with that if it doesn't sound really great. Oh, you hear some music, don't you? So, I'm gonna show you my phone. This is on Android and iOS to my knowledge. Whoa, so you got Iron Man right there. Let me turn the booklet around. Woo! Against Thanos. Okay, that's really cool. This is augmented reality from the book. And then this pops up, welcome to the first issue of Moviebill. And then it kind of gets you more information about it. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, what's about to happen? I haven't actually seen this. Oh my God, it's Groot! I am Groot. Okay, well, yes you are. How you doing, man? What's up? Okay, so we have this page here. You put, this is, wait, oh, you can download the game.
I'm not a superhero.
Whoa, wait, hold on.
Like my teammates.
Wait.
But we do have one thing in common.
Wait.
We choose to answer when humanity calls.
Oh, I've actually played this game.
We should not have gone first. Assemble your squad.
That is actually on the book. That is so, holy crap, that is so cool. I know it's an ad, but like, wow. All right, let's go to page 6 and 7. Okay, so this is the cast page, right? Let me just show you. This is the cast page. I can click and read more information about Tom Holland right there. Or if I want to read about Black Panther, there you go. Okay, so this is by far probably the coolest one. This is let me just show it to you. This is the Infinity Gauntlet, as you see there. Oh my God, the Soul Stone. Okay, sorry. Oh my, that is so cool. That is so cool. So that's Moviebill. Oh, you can keep this like this, and then you have technology to go with it. Wow. All right, so that was like really cool, and then I mean you can scan all of this. You scan the ad, I'm sure he'll start talking and something. So again, Regal Cinemas, the opening weekend, that's this weekend. Like they'll be giving these out for free. So you pick this up and get your ticket. Sorry, just like something in my mouth. All right. Tastes like sadness and frustration and suspense. I'm not spoiling the movie. I'm just saying it's so good. All right. So anyway, no, I can't wait for you all to see it. Make sure you see it at Regal. I know it sounds like I'm not getting paid, but they sent me something cool. I have probably put in the title what this is, so you all are like, Lamarr, get to that point. And I'm sorry. I don't know if I did or not. Let's go ahead and see this. I'm like, I normally would tear this up, but I'm just like, I want to be like really. I didn't expect this. It's the Infinity Gauntlet. I don't care. Thanos take me in the worst way. It's the only way he knows how. Sorry, I'm inappropriate. This is the Infinity Gauntlet. Oh my God, this is the Hasbro one. I took a picture of this at Toy Fair. Matter of fact, I think I had it on. If I did, I'll put the video clip or that in here now. I'll just do it myself. Get it? Get it? No? Okay. Oh yes, this is the one. I was in Hasbro's booth at Toy Fair. This is it! Make no mistakes with your life. This is it! Oh my God. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. This is the exact one I tried in that video. Oh my. Okay. So you put your hand in. Oh. Okay. Look. I'm controlling each finger. Okay. You gotta put in the batteries. Okay. By the power of Thanos. Okay. Oh! Can't wait. Can we do the other one? I'm kidding. Family. Oh, wait. Hold up. Wait. Oh! Okay, so I think once you close the fingers like that, and say then you pop them back up. I was playing with this at Toy Fair. I'm so excited. I wanted one. Thank Moviebill. You just look. I wasn't expecting this. Here during the break, while I was looking at one of the pages, and where is it? You can enter to win one of these. So check this out. So you can go to moviebill.com/gauntlet giveaway. We'll put that on the screen. Gauntlet giveaway. And you can enter online. So anyway, we'll put information so you can enter to win one of these too. So you can be just like me. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This is what a cool thing. Make sure you go see the movie this weekend. Let me know what you think about it. I will talk to you all in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe for new videos and click thumb up and click the bell for notifications because folks don't be getting the videos. And I will talk to you. Okay, let's get an email. I will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Enjoy that movie. If you don't see me again before the movie, have a good time. I'll be there Thursday again to watch it. Talk to you later. Bye!